Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. As you know, we have solved the addition problems in our previous class with addition of 3-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers with regrouping or carrying. Today we will discuss about how to frame the word problems. Okay, we will discuss about how to frame the word problems. Now, frame word problems. Study these examples to learn how to frame the addition word problems. Frame a simple word problem for 25 plus 34. Now, here is a what we problem is of addition problems. One number is 25 and another number is 34. We add 25 and 34 to get the answer. Okay, when we get the answer, after adding the answer we get, that is called the sum, isn't it? When we add, we use words like total, in, all, together. Okay, we use the word the sum to find what we will call it as total, or in all, or altogetherly. What we get after adding it is called altogether or together. Let us frame the word problems as follows. Now this is the numbers only given to you, 25 and 34. So how you are going to find that? Reena has 25 toffees and Nina has 34 toffees. How many toffees do they have together? This is the framing the word problems. Now this is example given for you all. Now the next is frame a word problem for each of the given addition fact and solve. What it is? Frame a word problem for each of the given addition facts and solve it. Here is number 49 and 20. Now how you can add? How you can frame the question here? Let us frame the question here. The sentences, you have to know the sentences. You have learnt in the English to frame the sentence, isn't it? English grammar, how to frame the sentences, so that you have to apply here and you have to frame the question or word problem. There are, you can frame like this. Raj has 49 red roses and Rani has 20 yellow roses. How many total roses do they have? Have together, you can say it together. Like this you can frame the question. Now 49 plus, this is add. So what sentence you are going to add right here? Total. How many total? Okay, how many total they have? You have to write like this. Now 120 plus 30. How you can frame the question here? Now you can frame like this. First, 120 plus 30 is the numbers given here, addition. How you can frame the questions? First you find 120 students have joined the math class, and then later 30 students joined the math class. Find the total number of students in math class. Okay, this is your word problem, how to frame. Understood? 120 students have joined the math class, and then later 30 students joined the math class. Now find the total number of the students in math class. This is the we have framed the word problems. This is there is the given only the given number here, 120 plus 30. This is the numbers given here. Okay, now 216 plus 18. 216 plus 18, how we can frame the word problems? Little bit you can think it over. Ganesh purchased 216 pencils and then later 18 pencils purchased by Gauri. Find the all together pencils. Okay, this is the sentence we can frame here. First, Ganesh has purchased 216 pencils and then later 18 pencils purchased by Gauri. Find the all together pencils. All together you are going to add here. Where there will be the word find the total in all together, there you are going to add. That is the addition problems. So there you are going to add the sums. Now you know how to frame the sentences. 190 plus 9, that I am going to give you as a homework. Dth one you take it as a homework and complete dth one. 190 and 9, that you can frame your own word problems. Now I am going to find the last one. Dth one take it as a homework, and each one I am going to solve. 200 plus 300. Okay, 200 girls has taken taken admission for grade 3rd, and 300 boys has taken admission for grade third. So find all together students taken admission. Okay, this is the question we have framed for the 200 plus 300. So this 190 plus 9, this will be the homework for you all. And if you have any other ideas, you all can frame your own word problems. If you interested, you can change the sentences, change the number, don't change the numbers, only change the names, sentences, etc. What you want to add the sentence, you all can add and take. When you try 4 I have solved, at least one you all can try how to frame the problems. You all can discuss and frame that. So kids, have a nice day, take care, thank you, we will meet in our next class. Bye.